I don't have a lot of good memories of my mom lately because matagal na ako nawala.
Sis, move
But, some of the good memories ko with her was, I grew up knowing I was not the favorite.
Hindi mo nakit kay Bambi.
Ginawa niya na. Kasi ako na forever dead. Wala akong care.
Nonchalant.
I'm nonchalant and very distant. So anyways, the time I was about to, I got accepted. I applied for the airline, my first airline with Saudia. So I was about to leave for Jeddah. And of course, I was scared because that was just a Muslim country, and I was only 21 years old, and I was scared because I knew that was not a safe country for women, especially young ones. And I told her that I was hesitant because I didn't know if I would be safe. And ginawa niya, she never ever clipped my wings. Hindi ako favorite, pero she gave me money and told me, here's the money. If you feel unsafe, fly home anytime. And she made sure that I would follow my dreams. Kahit na scared ako, she made sure I can take the leap of faith without hesitation, and I'm always going to have a cushion to fall back on. Yun yung isa sa mga good memories ko. And then another time was nung si Auntie Bebo napunta ng Hong Kong. I think that was your first time to be for Hong Kong, yung namimili ka ng mga gamit ng numbers natin niya ba? Binulungan niya sa ito. Sabi niya, bilang yung silian ng something. I think yung damit, yung dress. Sabi, pero huwag mong sasabihin kay Bambi. Huwag mong sasabihin na pinabilan ko silian. Ginawa niya secret. So, that was the time that hindi naman ko favorite. Ako yung secret favorite niya. Kasi secret yung mga ginagawa niya sa akin. My very first car, si Mama din yung bumili. Binigay niya yung money because I don't know why. Gusto niya akong bila ng kotse. Pero niya yung binubili ng car ko.
Kasi yung first car ko, siya rin ang bumili.
So, yun. Tapos lately, yun ang ano lang niya is, lagi niya sinasabi, gusto niya ma-meet yung mga anak ko. And I know she wanted to wait for us. Because she wanted so bad to meet my kids. Lagi siyang nauuna of birthday. She was the first one to meet my kids. Kaya I knew she was just waiting to meet them before she transitioned. So yun lang, at least I'm grateful that na-meet siya ng mga anak ko. Kahit na ayaw niya, natawagin siyang lola. Pinilit ko lola, tawag sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya mama Chedda, ayaw ko. Sabi ko lola ka, lola Chedda. Kasi ako nanay. So, yun lang.
Sila magkakapatid.
Ayaw patawag ng lola. I want you to rest now. Kasama mo na si Daddy. Alam ko, wala ka na. There's no more pain. And you're happy that kompleto tayo nung umalis ka. And you're happy na nakita mo na lahat na yung wish mo, na mamit mo yung mga apo mo. Kahit na, I know, disappointed ka dahil ang love life ko lagi. At least masaya ka ng mga apo mo kasi mababait. So, thank you all for coming here and paying tribute to my mom.